Hey guys, I'm Alvin Wayne, and on today's episode of Inside Alvin Wayne Interiors, I am here at my Hell's Kitchen location where I just finished up this project. It was a year in the making, but now I'm ready to show y'all. Come on. So a little backstory on this project. This apartment is located in Hell's Kitchen in the center of it all, Times Square, and this is a 500 square foot apartment. So when my client moved in, all he had was the sofa, the dining room table, and the bed, but he gave me a neutral color palette to work with of just gray. So I was challenged to make a one-tone apartment feel sexy, sophisticated, cozy, and luxe on top of that. So it all started with low-lying furniture, like the coffee table. This coffee table is from EQ3 and it's in smoke black glass. Again, I have one rule when it comes to coffee tables. Keep it low and let it flow, and that's exactly what we did here. So of course I adorned it with the homeowner's beloved fashion books because you can never have too many books. And of course, flowers. Again, keeping it low and letting it flow. And then we go over to the media console. The media console, we went low again in smoke black glass, continuing the theme from the coffee table to the console table. Again, continuity, black, white, grounds of space. Always remember that. Black and white, grounds of space, no matter if you have a great color palette to work with. And in the corner, we did a floor length mirror, again, to balance out the light. It bounces light off, and then it also makes the space feel bigger because remember, it is 500 square feet. And it's the perfect mirror for selfies before you go out. I'm a firm believer that every home needs a home bar. So it was very necessary in this space, especially being that my client is an entertainer. So in the dining room, we also created a little nook for a home bar. Using this console table, again, just because something is one thing does not necessarily mean it can't perform another function. You know, we like double duty. Small space, that's a tip. So we have the home bar here, and for lighting, we also chose a sconce that lights the bar and extends over the dining room table because in New York, it's very rare that you find overhead lighting, so you have to add it and you have to get creative, and that's what we did right here. Here in the dining room, I wanted to repeat the tone-on-tone effect again. Since I'm using one color palette, I wanted to show depth and dimension using that one color. And so on the walls, we went a darker hue of gray just right around the window to delineate the space and make this space feel sexy because it's a sexy space. Here in the living room, we went with task lighting. Now these are typically called library lamps, but they're perfect for any task really, whether it's reading, watching television, or setting the mood for the perfect cocktail from your home bar. And they also are dimmable, so they come on different switches and different levels, which is perfect. You know, sometimes you don't want to leave the house without a light on. This is perfect for it. The task lighting also flanks the art. Now in this space, of course, we have a big picture window. We have art above the bar, but we also needed a great piece of art, statement art rather, to ground the space. Because black and white are neutrals, just like the gray. And they balance it out, sort of like a Libra scale. My mama a Libra. And now where dreams are made of, or at least I like to think so. In this space, my client wanted it to feel like a boutique-like hotel, and I feel like we achieved that with keeping everything light and airy. Because when you think of a hotel, they always have white bed linens, everything is simple and clean and chic. But we wanted to keep it fun and keep it interesting and add a little personality, hence the neon sign, because it was all a dream. Y'all know where that's from. Then on the nightstands, we kept them low, black marble, again, bringing in the black with the black and white. And then we did mirrors on the side of the bed to reflect light and to make the space feel a little bigger. So when you think of a hotel, you always think of luxurious, sumptuous bedding, and that is definitely the feel that we wanted to go for here. Kept it simple. We did classic black and white with the black piping. It reminds you of like a tuxedo. So you always want to dress your bed, like how well you dress yourself, dress your bed. Then of course the high upholstered headboard. This was already here, but I think it just really grounds the space, and with it being the same color as the wall, which was done on purpose to make it all blend seamlessly and so that the bed will pop out, just like a boutique hotel. So that wraps up my Hell's Kitchen project right here in Manhattan. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. This was a year in the making and I had an amazing time working on this project because it really challenged me with working with a neutral color palette, but you know I had to add my little flair with some plant life, pops of color and flowers, but I always wanted to make every space I do feel luxurious and chic, but still obtainable and livable. And I hope you guys see that vibe in this space because it's all about the vibes. Please make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you haven't, and tell a friend. I know that's right. See how I led you in? Okay. I know that's right. It's set on different dimensions. What does that mean? Yeah, I'm gonna start over. I hope you edit that so it doesn't seem like I don't know what to say. Do you want me to start over? I'm gonna start over. Okay. Where did we get this from? Because again and then. Okay.
Roll it back.
And action. Oh, I like to think so. Oh, use record? Oh, let me start over. Comment and share and subscribe. What did I say? How did I start? Nobody was paying attention. Okay. All right.